Hey guys, I'm gonna do a quick video on SwapX this morning, just to quote unquote document my journey and share with you guys what I am experiencing so that if you're in SwapX and you're using their automated liquidity pools, or if you're thinking about getting into SwapX, this is something you want to be on the lookout for. So I'm using this as a test. I was playing around with it, and here are the pools here. Now, here's the key thing about DeFi, guys. When you see an earn button, you are expecting to earn money, right? That's what we're all here for. We're here to make money. And in this earn, you want to give some liquidity to these providers so that they can make some money, give you some money in return, and you come down and see the pools that they have available. And this one here, the USDC and SwapX, is kicking out 180%, which is very attractive, right? You can almost, you'll certainly double your money in a year and then some. So that looks interesting, right? So I did make a deposit yesterday. I'm not going to add liquidity now. Let me just go over to my positions and show this to you guys real quick and show you that as I did a calculation, it is on par because they do say up to that amount. So it could be less, but they have certainly fulfilled their obligation of meeting that 180% if you really break it down, the annual percentage yield on a daily basis. So it hasn't quite been 24 hours yet, maybe 21 hours or something like that, but it is kicking out a return. I guess it's giving me these SwapX tokens, and the US dollar equivalent for that is $4. All right, but I'm about to show you a clip because today is the 6th of July at 3:03 a.m. I'm about to show you guys a clip of me making this deposit, and this might open your eyes a little bit and help you determine if this is something that you want to do or not. Let's check out that clip. Technically, $10. I mean, it'll be about 18, 365. So that should be kicking out about 5 cents a day. And we'll see if that's what happens. We'll see how this crap pans out. Now that was yesterday, guys, about 21 hours ago. Fast forward to today, I have 4 cents, which is on par with that 180% APY range. However, the value of my investment has decreased by 14 cents. That means, guys, I am losing 3 times as much as I'm earning. Okay, so for you guys that are focusing in and thinking this automated concentration liquidity pool is going to benefit you, hey, check out this video and then start checking out your positions for yourselves. And you guys that have not gotten into it, I'd say avoid it. I mean, look at the facts. Look at my journey. I'm glad I only put in $10 in this crap. All right, guys, that's just something you want to be on the lookout for. Don't be blown away by APYs or what they promote or how much you are getting in a return. Always compare that with your investment and make sure you are actually profiting in these protocols. As far as SwapX is concerned, hey, it was enjoyable to check out your protocol, see if it works, and I see it works. But as far as the automated concentration liquidity pool, I do not recommend. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this one, and we'll holla on the next one. Peace out.